The 8-inch electric chainsaw from Grass One is designed for ultra-fast cutting with a remarkable chain speed of 40 feet per second, making it ideal for tackling tough branches effortlessly. It offers a dual bar design, providing both an 8-inch bar for powerful cuts and a 2.6-inch bar for precision trimming in tight spaces. This model comes with two rechargeable 21-volt, 2000 mAh lithium batteries, ensuring double the runtime and safe performance with built-in temperature and overload protection. Featuring an auto oiler system, this chainsaw allows easy lubrication of the chain and bar, reducing friction and extending the life of the chain. The 5-in-1 safety protection system includes a safety lock, a front guard, non-slip rubberized grip, protective goggles and gloves, and a secure chain guard for safe storage and transport. Thoughtfully engineered for user safety and comfort, this chainsaw is an excellent power tool for garden and yard maintenance, making it a great gift option for both men and women.